Back everyone. So today we're going to look at installing some hood struts on my MR2. Just got these in the mail the other day, and it's going to allow me to just pop open the hood without using a hood thing. So let's get started. You may be wondering where I got these. These are actually from Autobahn 88 on Amazon.com, and they are hood dampers, Toyota MR2 Spyder. They cost right around 80 bucks, but they're all bolt-on. You don't have to drill any holes, so it's actually a pretty good idea. So let's go ahead and put them on. These are specifically for the rear. You got to make sure when you buy them that you buy the ones for the rear, otherwise you might wind up getting the ones for the front, which it could also use, but my preference would be putting them in the back. That way it's easier to open the hood, which I have to do a lot. This car has had a lot of interesting issues. But yeah, anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in the back. This is the annoying part. Those of you who are wondering, it does come with instructions, which this is just one of the brochures, but these instructions actually do show an MR2 Spyder if you take a look, which is a good sign. A lot of instruction kits just show generic mounting points, which means they actually test fit it to an MR2. Shows to take off this bolt and this top one here. Don't need this anymore. Finished up with the awesome hood struts for my MR2. You can see them over here and here. It turned out pretty decent. There were a few little issues with clearance. I think that was actually just my car. It's had a few things tweaked, and a lot of things have been off and on of it, and where the hood struts pushed it pushed back into the top of this here. Not too bad. Turned out pretty good in my opinion. Check it out. And then it also, it's pretty awesome. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.